Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special video because I am collabing with knowbeauty, a skincare brand by Vanessa Hudgens. And so I'm so excited. Thank you so much for collabing with me. This is one of her newest skincare line, the Glacial Bay Clay Mask. So if you want to know more about this facial mask, then keep on watching. This is much earlier before I was able to get ready. Guys, I'm so excited to try this. Vanessa Hudgens, actress turned entrepreneur, is coming out with her skincare line and she sent me this. This is a paid collaboration, guys. I'm so excited. Thank you, Vanessa Hudgens, for considering me and allowing me to try your mask. It's super bougie and I love the packaging. Right now she has like two kinds of masks, guys. She has one that's hydrating and this one is for like pore refining and cleansing. Just like Vanessa, I have struggled with adult acne. I can definitely relate as far as what she's going through. This one is called Glacial Bay Clay Mask, and when we open it, the mask is in there like so. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Wow. Inside this cushion, it's not even a box, like a thick foam. So your product is definitely protected. So this one removes impurities, it tightens pores and restores radiance. Yes, especially this season, we definitely need that radiance. But I love the purple. What a nice color. Ooh. Oh, it has a nice mild scent to it, and this is what the mask looks like. Her clay masks are $45. knowbeauty is committed to clean ingredients, vegan formulation, no parabens, no irritants. Let's go ahead and try this. I'm starting with a cleansed face, very clean face. This clay mask is so fancy because this product was harvested from the glaciers of British Columbia. This is especially created for oily, acne-prone skin, so that is perfect. I do have kind of like a combination to dry skin right now, so I am definitely curious about how my skin's gonna react to that. This mask pretty much tightens pores, which yes, we need that. If you guys look closely, I have a lot of giant pores, so I'm curious if that will kind of shrink those in a bit. Looking at the instructions here, it says apply a thin layer on clean dry skin, avoiding the eyes, lip area. Leave on for 4 minutes. Only 4 minutes or up to 10 minutes. Gently remove with warm water or a warm washcloth and pat dry. So this one you can use 2 to 3 times a week for oily combination skin and 1 to 2 times a week for dry skin. Right now my face has that kind of squeaky feeling, squeaky clean feeling. I did not put any toner yet because I'm gonna do that at the very end with all the skincare. This is originally my Lorac contour brush, and but I found that it's so perfect for like painting the mask on my face. So I am gonna do that right there. Hopefully this is enough. They said a thin layer goes a long way. Guys, before you try a brand new mask, you might want to skin test it in case. Make sure you don't have any reaction. My skin is not sensitive at all. And that's why I can try several skincare products for you guys. I love the feeling. It has that cooling sensation. And guys, it's not because it's cold in my bathroom. It is really still feeling like summer here. I've got gigantic pores here. It's so soothing to apply the mask on my face. It has that cooling sensation, and this brush just makes it feel like I'm in the spa, you know, and it's like massaging my skin and like evenly distributing the mask. Ugh, I love it. In the meantime, for that 10 minutes, you can multi-mask, okay? I don't have a lot of moments where I can self-care, and so whenever I do have the time, I make sure that I do as much as I can for myself. And so one of it is gonna be my lip treatment. This looks so fun. Sunspout Gold Foil Lip Mask. I am back. So it looks like the clay mask has hardened. It feels dry, and it's like literally like a mask on your face. Like I cannot move. I'm afraid to move because it's going to crack it. Notice like in here there's a lot of holes in the mask where my pores are most prominent. I think it's expelling all of those impurities. Around my mouth I had my lip mask on, and so that's why I have that kind of lip shape around here that hasn't hardened because of the moisture from the lip mask. Otherwise, I am ready to take out this mask. I'm so excited. And all it takes is just warm water to take it all off, or a warm washcloth. Warm washcloth works so much better than rinsing it off. Okay guys, so I am back. I left for a little bit to do something to make sure my face kind of resets. I just wanted to make sure that my face settles down after the mask and see how I feel. And I feel amazing. My face doesn't feel tight like most clay masks would do to me. It feels just normal, like balanced, and so it's not as super hydrating. You definitely want to do your skincare right after the masking. But what I did notice is that my pores right here are blurred, especially around my nose. Yeah, I love the feeling. My face doesn't feel stripped or dry or cracky. It just feels balanced and normal. So yeah, this is a great mask, guys. I definitely felt like the biggest results were in my pore area, the middle portion, and my nose. I feel like it extracted all the impurities out of my face, and I'm just left with a very cleansed skin. So I'm really loving this mask. I love the cooling sensation it gave me. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you guys have any questions about the product. Here's the ingredient list for your information. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button, like, and comment on the video. That would really, really help me out. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.